Good morning, everyone. Welcome to May 14th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we got the Dow futures down 85, the S&P futures are down 10, and NASDAQ futures are down 18. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were lower overnight. Futures were down hard Friday morning as traders absorbed negative news from J.P. Morgan. The market did get off to a weak start, but buyers took advantage of lower prices. By the time the market closed, the NASDAQ was flat, with the Dow and S&P losing a little bit of ground. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings from Agilent Technologies, Groupon, and Silver Wheaton. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1376, the 50-day at 1385, and the 200-day at 1277. The S&P closed at 1353 with support at 1340 and resistance at 1385. The bulls had no shot to take control early on Friday with J.P. Morgan's bombshell news of trading losses the night before. The S&P got hit right out of the chute, but recovered a good chunk of the losses by day's end, still closing down at 1353. The market continues to struggle here and has been ever since the 20-day moving average on the S&P crossed below the 50-day, and now that gap is widening some. If we get some more selling here, it will be critical that the bulls hold 1340, and so far, that has been the case. While the middle of May is neutral at best in terms of historical performance, Mondays that fall on the 14th of any calendar month yield 8.61%. Tuesdays on the 15th yield 21.25%. Wednesdays on the 16th have produced 31.58% gains. Thursdays on the 17th have netted 26.62%. And Fridays falling on the 18th have generated a modest 1.81% annualized. The bulls are hoping the upcoming week is more like any other month rather than just May itself. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.